Dwaro mar wito oko omenda mag aguch dongruok kuonde chung' od buche e pacho ka NG-CDF pod medo nyuolo paro mopogore, kata kobedo ni board mar NG-CDF yande nosedhi mbele mar kawo pach jo-Kenya duto e wi wachno. Jaod bura ma Nyakach Aduma Owuor wacho ni omendano osetimo mathoth mabeyo, kata obedo ni en adieri ni jood bura moko tiyo kode aritha kolose e boma ma Kisumo. Aduma bende nosiro dwaro mar ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga mar neno ni omenda mag apaya mitayo kod kura kod kera onego duok e lwet governors ma pacho ka e yor medo loch mag kor gwenge.
Have been raised about the CDF. There are people who have been concerned, but because some of us have also been immoral and have misused that fund, so that has raised some questions. But I believe that the fund has done a lot, and it will require consultation of leaders. The issues which I've seen being raised by, like, my party leader about the CDF, and he has said that, like in the funds, like we have funds for Kora, we have funds for Kera. So some of the issues which are being raised are also valid, like why would we have the national government coming to Kisumu to handle local cooler funds when we have a county government? Why do we have Kera operating in towns when this is a rural roads funds? Why do you have Kera operating in Nairobi or Mombasa? So those require consultation. But in Nyakach, the people told me that CDF is good and it should continue, and I'll go by their